This method of making unlimited money without working is used by the richest people in the world, and believe it or not, it was sent to us directly from God. In the spring of 1992, something extraordinary happened to a guy named Neil Donald Walsh. God started talking to him through telepathic contact. He put together the information he received from God into a book that made it on the New York Times bestseller list for 135 weeks, was translated into 37 languages, and was sold in more than 7.5 million copies worldwide. One of the questions he asked God was, how to make money? How to get rich? The answer he received was, what you want for yourself, give to another. The reason why this works is that there is nobody out there except yourself. So what you give to another, you give to yourself. You may think this cannot possibly work, but you will see it does work when you try it. You will see that is a wonderful formula that works like magic. Here's how to use it. If you want to get money, you have to be on the vibration of already having it. So by giving some money to another, you put yourself in the vibration of a person who already has it. In other words, someone who is rich. The universe always supports generosity. Even if you don't have thousands of dollars to give to another, give as much as you can, and you will get back from the universe up to 10 times that amount. How much should you give to others? It depends on how rich you want to be. There are no limits on how rich you can get by using this method. This is the reason why Mr. Beast is one of the richest YouTubers in the world. He built one of the biggest YouTube channels by giving a large part of his income to others. This strategy always works, because it came directly from God. Saving money is the worst method to get rich, because money is energy, and it has to flow in order to multiply. By stocking large amounts of money, you are blocking the natural flow of this energy called money. By giving it to others, you are allowing this energy to flow into the universe, therefore it will multiply. And it doesn't only work with money. Any positive energy you put into the universe to help others will do. For example, by simply watching or liking this video, you've already done that. And because you are supporting this information to reach and help more people, you will see positive things happening to you in the next few days. Remember, the more you give, the more you will receive. May all your wishes come true. We love you.